Going on, everybody? Texas Redleg here. I hope you're having a good start to your week. I wanted to sort of piggyback off of another video that I did recently regarding some specialty medical items that I had procured for SHTF and beyond. I sort of wanted to add a little bit to that. I know I've mentioned it on several videos and lives about my medical kits, if you will. The stuff that I showed with the IVs and the sutures and such was really more of a specialty item that goes, on top of a basic first aid kit or an advanced first aid kit. Now, I'm not a medic. I'll go ahead and tell you all that. I've got some first aid training and CPR and all that, but my spouse is a very qualified nurse practitioner with years and years of variable experience on different levels, and so this is one of the reasons why I have all this stuff. I don't claim to be a medical professional or be giving medical advice, so I'm just showing you simply what I do for my first aid supplies, and I've had this in place for quite a while, but here goes. So with I'll just start with the smaller one first, and this is sort of the one that I work out of, like at home, like under normal circumstances. And what this is just a basic one of those little makeup kits for like a young girl or teenager or something. But it's pretty robust. It's basically like a big tackle box, and it opens right up, as you can see here. It's got everything from medications to, over-the-counter cold and flu, to pain reliever, to tape, to gauze, etc. But it holds a lot of stuff. Got some Dollar Tree preps in here. A little eyedropper. Got some sutures in here as well, some hemostats, various syringes, for diabetics and such, pill cutter, some masks, some gloves, some standard athletic tape. There's a whole bunch of stuff in here, and again, it's just, and there's some hand sanitizer, just a small bottle. Again, just a kit that basically we would work out of at home, and then of course all you gotta do is close it up and take it with you if you need it. But this is one of the kits that I would use on a regular basis. Doesn't take up much room, pretty small. And the main what I would call an advanced kit is this. This is an Army medics bag, and you can see it's quite robust. It collapses down here, and it can actually go a little bit longer, but you can see it's got these heavy-duty buckles on it. Army issue. And of course, it's got these, different clips on it here. You could put it on a MOLLE vest, or you can strap it down. You can carry it different ways. But this thing basically opens up and will lay out flat. And again, like I said, it's totally adjustable. It's got clips on the front and clips on the sides to hold it all together. Like I said, this thing is very, very durable, combat ready. But basically, you open it up, you can lay it out flat. And this thing is just huge. You can see how thick it is and how large and how much stuff it can hold. But it's got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zippered pockets in it in each section. You can see there's 2, 4, 6. And this thing holds a lot of gear. What's cool about it is the fact that it lays out so flat. but it collapses into just a basic bag. This thing could be used for so many other things other than first aid. Like I said, I've got everything from antibiotics to sutures to wound wash to all kinds of over-the-counter stuff, all kinds of bandages, thermometers, splints, you name it. But this thing is just, I mean, I think it was probably around 40, 50 bucks. But you can see, it's the real deal. It collapses down to that. Nice, you know, ripstop style handle here. The stitching on it is definitely robust and durable. There's the bottom of it. But there you go. This is just a standard Field Medics issue bag. And if you want to see the nomenclature on it, you can see it right there in case you want to go buy one yourself. And I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool. I remember the medics used to carry this when I was in the Army, and it held a lot of stuff, and I was always impressed with how much stuff they could get in that little bag. And it's just so large and folds out into a way that is so convenient that it's just a no-brainer to me, you know. But anyway, you might consider something like that. Again, it's not one size fits all, but it does hold a lot of stuff. And like I said, I'm not a medical expert, but I know one that is, and at least to a point, and I feel comfortable having that stuff around. So, you know, do what you do and redo your research, and you know, mind your budget, whatever it is. But you can get one of those bags or something like it, or that box that I showed you, and do your own. So, you know, again, this is just a carryover video from the one I did with regards to the IVs and the antibiotics and sutures that I did the other night. Again, I think those things are huge as well. You know, and then also we've got, you know, a stethoscope and, you know, some other instruments in that bag that are advanced, you know, enough to, I mean, honestly, I could probably run a roadside clinic, not me, but we could probably have a little roadside clinic with the stuff I have right here, you know, at least temporarily. So I'm pretty impressed with what it holds and the durability of it. So anyway, I hope everybody can use that to their advantage at some point. You know, medical is huge, and it's always good to have stuff around, even if it's not SHTF. But should we have an SHTF event, sure as hell would be nice to be able to take care of things if you had an issue. So anyway, you guys take care, keep working hard, keep stacking it deep, keep filling the voids, don't let off the gas. We got you know, trouble brewing and troubled times ahead. Unfortunately, I think it's going to get pretty tough. So anyway, with that, everybody keep prepping, stack it deep, and always remember, long live the Republic.